Hey guys, today is October 3rd and I'm going to take you through a vlog and a shop with me. I'm going to go to Five Below and we're going to see what kind of goodies they have. But before I do that, I'm going to do some light cleaning around my house and just planning through my day, getting ready and trying to enjoy this beautiful fall that we are in. It is currently 9:57 in the morning and it is 62 degrees. Feels very nice and chill. I'm wearing my Halloween Bucky shirt and I just got up not too long ago. So yeah, I'm gonna start by making my to-do list. Definitely have to do dishes and I'd like to get those done pretty soon, and then get ready. So that means I've already taken my medicine. I've already drunk some coffee, so I just need to get dressed and do hair and makeup. If I want to do that, I don't know. That's a maybe. I might just go out looking like I don't really care. Because it's my day off and I've gotten ready all week. Okay. Do dishes, stack up trash, get ready. I want to go to Five Below. And this will be my first time going to this Five Below. And so I'm gonna try to early Christmas shop for some people, like get some stocking stuffers or something if they have them. I know it's October and I'm already Christmas shopping, but like I gotta get the ball rolling because Christmas costs a pretty penny. So I'm just gonna also get some early Christmas gifts. And then I also need to eat something. I don't know what I will eat. I'm not feeling anything we have at the house, so I might go out to get something. But yeah, that's just what I have to do this morning. And I also want to make this vlog. And that's all I'm going to give myself right now. Oh, and if you want. Now, come with me while I speed do the dishes. It's going to be sped up for you, but not for me, unfortunately. But, yeah, I'm going to speed do them. I'm going to play it fast, and then we'll be back to do other stuff. shy, but I got too shy to film in anywhere I was. I went to Five Below and Tropical Smoothie Cafe. At Tropical Smoothie Cafe, I got a Thai peanut wrap and a Bahama Mama smoothie. It was really good. And I'll show you what I got at Five Below. These are some early Christmas presents, so if you're in my family, click off now. This I got from my sister. She always has little, I don't know what you call them, but when you when you have plants and you take sprigs off of them to grow a new plant or whatever. But they look like just little sprigs of plants, so I figured she could put them in something like this. This was cute and cheap. That reminded me of her. This also reminded me of her because she's always at her desk. These are colored fountain pens. These look so cool. They're the old school kind with the little, just the old school type pens. And then I got this for my brother-in-law because he likes The Office and so does my sister. And then I'm gonna get them more than just this, by the way. I'm not super cheap. Oh, I got this for me. This is not the only thing I got for me, but it's super cute. It's a Hello Kitty lanyard with Hello Kitty as a mermaid on the lanyard. I love anything Hello Kitty. They had a full Sanrio section. I don't know if I got a clip of that, but yeah. Then I got this for my brother-in-law because it's going matching with the Office theme and I found it. And then I don't know who I'm going to give this to in my family, but my family likes to watch Seinfeld. So I got this. It was only $5, so. And then yeah, that was all I got. I got some more stuff, but that's for Aaron and I'm scared he'll see this. Also, if you're my brother or sister watching this, shame on you. Brother-in-law or sister. So yeah. I'm sorry I didn't get many clips in the store. It was really quiet and talking was really awkward, and I'm not there yet as far as my YouTube journey. I don't know why I don't like to vlog in places, but I just don't. We don't have a lot of like YouTube people around, so I would just probably look weird like I was talking to myself with a camera. I don't know, but I'm probably too worried about it. But yeah. Anyways, that's all. And yeah, just gonna go along with my day.